Today I want to talk to you about the FOXPRO Patriot game call. It is our entry-level model for the guys that are just beginning in predator hunting or just want to get into it. This is a great caller to consider. For $149 to $159, this is what you get. It comes with 35 sounds plus an additional 100 sounds free. So 135 sounds for the Patriot. High efficiency horn speaker. You have an external speaker jack to connect an external speaker for even more volume if you wish. An auxiliary jack to connect an approved device such as the Fox Jack 5 decoy, and that's compatible with the Patriot. And it also has the 433 remote. Now on the remote itself, a couple features to go over. It has a nice size screen selection where you can see your sounds being displayed, and they're stored in category files. So similar to a folder called coyotes. You click that and then there's all your coyote sounds. Rabbits, there's all your rabbit sounds. So on and so forth. It has 2 preset buttons. So like your truck radio, you have your favorite radio stations set there. You can simply sit down on stand, preset these buttons to one button press to play your favorite sound. Mute button, obviously, to mute or pause your sound, and your scroll buttons up and down, and your volume up and down. Now the FOXPRO Patriot operates on 4 AA batteries and is backed by a 3-year warranty from FOXPRO. When you have a 3-year warranty at $149 to $159, it's tough to beat. There's no other game call companies out there that are offering a 3-year warranty on something with this kind of quality like the FOXPRO Patriot. So 3-year warranty, 35 sounds plus an additional 100 of them, and it's $149 to $159. That's a little bit closer look at the FOXPRO Patriot and our entry-level model for you predator hunters and the customers that you see out there.